Hi y'all, this is So Blessed. Welcome to the Blessed Place. How y'all doing? And happy Thanksgiving. So Thanksgiving might be over by the time y'all watch this, but this is Thanksgiving Day. It's about 1:30 or so. And this is my first time ever in my 54 years of cooking Thanksgiving meal. So I was gonna try to vlog for y'all, but y'all know the struggle is real, right? I can't cook and vlog. So I'm just gonna see if I can get little snippets here and there and show you what I came up with. Here we go. I got my dressing in the oven and my turkey wings. The dressing, that's a whole story I have to tell y'all about. I had to go to my friend's house so she could teach me how to make dressing. And like just a dash. Good little dash. Here I got my water boiling for some pasta for mac and cheese. And in this Dutch oven, I'm going to make my little bechamel sauce, as my sister calls it. And here is the counter with all kinds of cheeses, mozzarella, cheddar, Velveeta, Philadelphia cream cheese, some heavy whipping cream. All of this stuff is gonna go into my mac and cheese. And my husband already got, his part was the greens. And he already got his greens done early this morning. Hot. Okay, in here I have some butter and flour. And I'm gonna add some heavy whipping cream. And then I'm gonna add my Velveeta cheese and Philadelphia cream cheese. And I don't know if I have enough flour in here. I don't know, but hey, let's do this. We're adding our Velveeta and our Philadelphia cream cheese. I mean, you can do a few pieces at a time, but you're gonna be forever doing one at a time. Yeah, that's how the cooks like then you could do it. So we're gonna drop that in there and then we'll be back. 2:30, I'm still cooking. Working on this mac and cheese. Thank you. Okay, my mac and cheese is all done there. And I'm gonna put it in the pan. That's the consistency of it right there. And then I'm gonna put it in the pan and put some cheddar on top, put it in the oven. And about 30 minutes or so, and that'll be it. It's about 5 o'clock. Everybody's eating their Thanksgiving meal except for us. That's my turkey wings. That's my dressing that I done browned too much on top. That's my mac and cheese. Had to taste it there. Tastes pretty good. And our rice and greens, potato salad, dessert. We about to eat. Okay, so we just got done eating. I gave myself a C+, but Derica and Charlie gave me a B-. Hey, I made a B, y'all. That's much better than I thought. So it was good. I learned a lot. I learned a lot of what to do and what not to do for Christmas dinner. Y'all be blessed.